How's you going, boys? Mike here. Welcome back to Grampie's Workshop. And because you guys are so great out there, all my viewers and my subscribers, and just so humbled that everybody takes a little bit of time out of their day to come and watch me, I'd just like to wish you all a very, very Merry Christmas. And I hope the new year is the best year you've ever had. It's been a good year for us here at the lake. Nannie and I enjoy our time here. It's a great spot to be. I can't believe how lucky we are. We had good jobs, both of us, all our lives. We've retired. Our pensions are, not as good as an MP's pension, but hey, we're doing all right. And we've got wood in the stove and food in the freezer, so we're doing dandy. So anyways, this time of year, everybody tends to say, Happy New Year, and everybody's very friendly and cheery and all. And that's great. I think that's wonderful. Celebrating the birth of our Lord. Hey, that's what it's all about. It's not about the sale at Walmart tonight or anything like that. It's about the birth of Christ. And that's great that everybody's so happy and cheerful and joyful at this time of year. And if they're happy, joyful, and cheerful celebrating the birth of Christ, well, that's even better. But I just want to say, for all the blessings that we've had, for all that's going on in our life, for all the subscribers, for all the people out there that view and leave comments, it's just so nice to see. And people, you know what? People are pretty nice, pretty decent. My grandfather used to say, there's nobody better than people. And he nailed it. So Merry Christmas from Nannie and I. Merry Christmas. I hope it's the best one you ever had. And Happy New Year. I know that 2019 is going to be exciting. There's going to be a lot of changes. A lot of people think, nothing ever happens. I'm so bored in my life. Nothing ever happens. Nothing goes on. Well, just take a look in the rearview mirror and see all the changes that have taken place in the past year. And those are going to be exponential in the new year, I'm sure. So, but all I can say is Merry Christmas. I wish I could say more, but Merry Christmas from Nannie and I to all of you. And for those people, who have no place to go, no family, it's a sad time of year sometimes, Christmas. So we have to be thinking of those too. And if we get a chance, we get an opportunity, like my old buddy Gator said, just, you see some stranger, smile at them, be cheery, be happy, wish them a Merry Christmas. And you never know, it might change their life. It might be just what they're looking for, to get that one little Merry Christmas from you. So do that. Have a Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. And if everybody's good out there, I'm sure Santa will bring you a Massey Ferguson. Take her easy, boys. And we'll see you probably next year. Merry Christmas.